Inspection Square is a highly specialized team whose mission is to transform remote inspection and inventory management of industrial assets. From highly complex and bespoke structures, such as offshore oil rigs and onshore refineries, to mass distributed network assets in telecommunications and utilities. Our cloud-based software has been continuously perfected since 2015, with engineering workflow at its heart. An enterprise-grade application that automates asset inspection and management processes for industries with widespread and often hard-to-reach asset bases. It's scalable, extensible and integrated, making use of sophisticated best-in-class technologies such as thermal analysis, gas detection, change detection and predictive maintenance. Having a flexible platform means being able to use aggregated data from multiple sources, including drones, handheld cameras, helicopters, and satellites. We support assets for all life cycles: inspection, routine maintenance, upgrade, or even decommissioning. The Inspection Square application gives you the tools to get maximum value from the asset data. A comprehensive overview of all your sites, assets, and their surrounding environment, using multiple digital twins. Site inspection as well as inspection reports are delivered up to 70% faster. Data is accessible anytime and from anywhere, within hours of field deployment. The automation solution is supported by our proprietary technologies based on artificial intelligence, computer vision, geopositioning, and asset-specific engineering, which is revolutionizing workflow across industries. Automatically identifying issues, individual component, performance audits, and predictive analytics across thousands of assets in minutes. Our customers are seeing the results. Oil and gas companies are making substantial savings in time and maintenance costs, detecting asset anomalies thanks to fully automated process. Telecom operators are maximizing revenue per site with improved inventory visibility. Transmission and distribution operators are able to autonomously inspect of power lines and detect defects, enabling better risk assessment. We're working closely with the largest asset-intensive companies in the world, solving increasingly complex business challenges. We are continually challenging boundaries, with ongoing and ever-evolving development that extends and deepens the Inspection Square software application, allowing us to deliver more sophisticated tools and artificial intelligence-driven automation solutions to support your operational efficiency and help you make better and more informed business decisions. Take steps towards full automation of your asset management with Inspection Square end-to-end data management, 3D visualization and AI-powered insights platform. Contact us today and we'll show you how our solutions will transform your business.